cold. Oh, hello guys. Man, can you hear that wind? Here, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so cold outside. Oh, listen to that wind. Oh my goodness, I wish I had something warm. Oh, wait. That's right. We have a heated jacket that's coming in the mail today. Oh man, I tell you what, I'm so excited for this heated vest. So guys, welcome back. It finally came in the mail. I am excited. So this is something that we're going to be using for when we go hunting, when we go for walks. And to be quite honest, I like to keep the temperature pretty low in our home. Right now it's actually 61 degrees in here. I know. So, heated vest. This is going to help keep us warm in multiple different situations. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys what you get inside the package. So that's pretty awesome. It comes with its own carrying case. That's actually pretty cool because most times I just fold them up and stuff them somewhere, but now I can actually put it in a protective case so they don't get dusty or dirty for let's say during late spring, summertime when I'm not going to be wearing it. Oh wow, this is nice. This is nice, but you know, all right, we're gonna show you guys all the accessories here in a moment. Oh my goodness, this is what I like. This is actually padded, so it's actually super soft and super warm already. I can't stand those vests that are so thin, maybe a little fuzzy, but that's it. This is actually going to keep me warm without even having it turned on. So you have your on and off button right here, if you guys can see this. So you got on and off button, you got your belly and your back mode. Let's zipper it up. So again, I like it that it's fully zippable. So that way, if I gel my hair or do something, I don't have to mess up my hair. Just simply put it on like this. Oh wow, this is nice. Now let's see if it's true to size. We are size large. Oh, that's comfortable. That is comfortable, guys. So I'll show you guys here. That is really comfortable. And you can move around without it moving too much. So that is also a big plus. Alright guys, so let's check the pockets. You got two pockets on the side. Oh, those pockets are nice and warm as well. So let's see where the power bank would go. So we'll have to check this out. Okay, let's follow the wire here. Well, let's take a look closer. Okay guys, we opened up the vest, and inside here there is a pocket, and you have this little power cable. So they give you, let's see, I believe you put this in when you're washing it. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what that bag's for. Give you a little manual. They provide the power bank, so please keep in mind when you purchase a lot of heated vests, they do not come with the power bank. This one comes with a power bank and a charging cable already. So you already get the power bank, you get the vest, you get everything you need. So this is the power bank. So it's got a USB plug, type C, and then your power. And there is an indicator light to let you know how much power. The battery is, so on different, okay, so it's got two capacity levels here. 10,000 mAh or 7.4 volts at 5,000. So 3.7 volts at 10,000 mAh, 7.4 volts at 5,000. So probably one's for the back, one's for split. So yeah, we go ahead, we take this, we plug this directly in here, place it back inside. Make sure you zipper it up so if you're doing any activity it doesn't come out. I don't see any other pockets in here, so let's go ahead and zipper it up and then feel the warmth. Oh my gosh, I love this. Seriously guys though, it is comfortable. It's not super tight, so if you guys can see, It's not crazy tight. I can't stand the ones that are like so tight that it's like you can't breathe. This one is not that tight. And look, if you zipper it up the whole way, you can cover your whole entire neck to keep you warm. That is awesome. So if you have like a beanie hat, Tootsie hat, you could cover your ears and be pretty warm with this. Alright guys, to turn it on, so this one's a little different, which is actually kind of nice. This has a better safety feature. So there's a black button that's going to be right here on your power bank. Press and hold the black button and it's going to blink and then light up blue, and then these will light up as well. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and put it back in. So most vests, you don't have to do any of that kind of stuff. You just simply press on here. But that's actually a nice safety feature, because let's say you forget your power bank's in here and you forget to disconnect it, and you go ahead and you place it against something, it's not going to automatically turn on. So now if we press and hold, so guys, let me show you here. If you press and hold the black button, I'll show you guys what it does. There you go, you see it, channel. Then you press and hold to turn on the back or the front. You guys can see it lighting up. Let's turn off some lights here. This will give you easier to see. I do want to point out that, yeah, let's turn this off for a second here, because I do want to go over something that might be a little confusing for some people. So this is the power bank here, and when you press it, you can just see the battery level. You then press and hold, and a blue light will come on. Okay, when that blue light comes on, you have, I'm not sure exactly how long, maybe 15-30 seconds to plug it into your vest, and then you need to press the button right away to turn it on, or else it's not going to come on. So this has a lot of safety features, which is very nice. I mean, I personally like the safety features. Some might find that annoying, but we'll recap here at the end. Alright, now let's test the heat out. So, now that we got the heat on, red is maximum. You press it again. White is low. Press it again. Blue is medium. Press it again, and you go back to red. So red is full heat. So right away we can feel the heat starting up through here first. Let's see here. So we can feel the heat starting up on our shoulders first. I can feel the back, a little bit of the belly starting as well. So it's definitely working. You can definitely feel the heat. And basically how this works is there's wires that run throughout the vest, and these wires are connected to the power bank. And what happens is the power bank heats up the wire. So when you have electronics on, most times you will feel a wire and you feel it's kind of warm or something. That's the current that's transferring through the line, and it heats it up. So this is just the same concept. The power bank sends heat through, electricity through the cable, which warms it up. So the cable is set to a thickness, and the voltage is set to a certain voltage that it heats up the wire because of the current that's running through it. And that's basically how you get your heated items. But it's definitely warming up everywhere. So the vest, the front of the vest, the back, I'm feeling it now up in this side of my neck. So really feeling it around your neck, which is actually pretty nice, because that's where a lot of cold air comes, and that's where a lot of heat escapes. As we press it, I can feel right up in here a little bit. Follow it down, definitely down here we feel it. On our back, yeah, we can feel it on our back right up through here. So it definitely is working. Now, let's recap a little bit, so for the people that might be confused, because I know it can be a little confusing, just, when you're not used to this kind of things. So when you go ahead and disconnect it from the power bank, it's just going to automatically go off. So that's what I recommend doing every time you're done. The blue light will stay on, but that will automatically go off, or you can press and hold the power button again to turn that blue light off, and then the white lights will go off after a certain amount of time. That's just simply the battery level. You can also charge your phone and device with this, with taking your USB charging cable that they give you, putting in the USB port, and then plugging that in your phone. So how this works, again, very simple. you got your power bank, you press and hold the black button, it's going to light up blue. You go ahead and you connect it to the power wire in here that's inside the pocket. Once you connect it, you're going to get all these lights. Now, you could press both of the lights at the same time and turn them both on, or one at the time. You don't have to have them all on or both on at the same time. You can press and hold to turn one off, and then you can keep just the one on, if you guys can see here. So then, you don't have to have both on at the same time. You can have different levels for each one. You want to turn the other one on, just press and hold it. You can have one, medium level, one full level, whatever you guys want to do. Turn them off. You press and hold both of them if you want, and you can turn both off at the same time. So it's that simple. And then when you're done, I do recommend, it will automatically go off. So if you turn this off, your power bank will automatically go off after a certain time, and then you just got to pull it back out and press the black button and hold it in, and the blue light will come on, and then you can go ahead and repeat. So it's very simple. It sounds more complicated than it really is, but yeah, I really like this heated vest.